Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, you just have to remove back cover from your device first. You can catch it here, as you can see, like this, with your fingernail, and with some minimal force you can remove this back cover like this. And here you have 2 slots for the SIM card and 1 for the SD card. So let's put SD card here and the SIM card here. And then put back cover back on. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my device, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter it. Oh. I failed it, but you saw that SIM card was read, and there's also notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.